In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up fields for a purchase and sales agreement in DocuSign, guiding you through the entire 2025 process. Whether you're new to DocuSign or need a refresher, we'll make sure you're ready to get those agreements signed and sealed without any hassle. So, let's dive right in. To get started, we first need to open up DocuSign. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and navigate to the DocuSign homepage. If you're prompted, log in with your account details to access the dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option labeled Sales Contract. Clicking on this will take us to the area where we can start setting up our agreement fields. This step is crucial because we need to ensure the document we're working on is accessible for editing and adding fields that are necessary for the agreement. After you've selected the sales contract, you'll want to hit the Add Selected button. This step prompts the system to queue the document for further preparation. It's like putting your manuscript on the drafting table, ready to be tailored and edited to perfection. At this stage, you're going to want to click on the buyer field. This portion of the setup allows you to specify who the buyer is. It's an essential element because it personalizes the agreement to the individuals involved, making it clear who's on each side of the transaction. Next, you'll have to focus on the opposite party by clicking on Sender Manufacturer. This step mirrors the buyer designation, creating a clear picture of who the seller or manufacturer is. It's a key part of ensuring all parties are correctly identified, minimizing any potential confusion down the line. Now, having set up the major participants in the agreement, it's time to proceed by clicking on Next. This click transitions us from field setup mode to a preparatory stage where we can review and confirm all the details before eventually sending it out for signatures. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on setting up fields for a purchase and sales agreement in DocuSign. Taking the time to accurately set up these fields ensures that your agreements are clear, concise, and legally binding without unnecessary hiccups. Keep this guide handy for any future sales or purchase agreements you might need to prepare. With all of this set up, the next steps are about adding any additional information required for your specific transaction, reviewing the document for accuracy, and then sending it off to the involved parties. Remember, the devil is in the details, so double check everything before hitting that send button. Great job following along, and I hope this guide makes your DocuSign experience seamless and efficient.